Fucking JCI products suck. As DJ Khaled says,
another one, another one, another one, another one.
2 more heat exchangers today. I like DJ Khaled's philosophy, yet this is getting very old. So this morning we're going to be doing a 4-cell, which is an 80,000, and this afternoon we're doing a 3-cell, which is a 60,000. JCI, you suck. And I got another one to do probably next week, so I'll get you some shots on these. You guys seen it before, but I'll show it again of how to do the heat exchangers, right Tyler?
Yep.
He's excited. Alright, we're here at the first one. This is a TM9V080B12 3-ton blower, right? This is a Lux there. I installed this back in 2010. And of course you see all of the repairs that I've made since then. So there's the new heat exchanger. What's the stainless steel collector, or the back plate there? And we have a leak back here that I'm going to have to fix. I don't know exactly where that's coming from. Looks like the humidifier has been leaking. We replaced the pad because the pad was bad, but it doesn't look wet now, but there is a lot of water. So I'm going to try to address that and see where that's leaking from and go from there, but we'll get you some shots on this and we'll bring you back around. Alright, we got this out, and as you can see, it's just rotted. It's just rotted. Good job, JCI. Johnson Controls. Good job. You guys build quality stuff here. Build quality stuff. That's why I no longer install it. And so this is the stainless steel one. Hopefully this will last them a little bit longer than 13 years. Alright, now I gotta put it all back together again. So we are finally done 7th one this year alone, heat exchanger. We got one more to do. So we'll see you in the next one. And actually here in just a few hours we're going to be replacing another heat exchanger and we'll bring you along.
Is there anything else you need?
Nope, we should be good.
Alright, thank you so much.
You're welcome. We'll be down but about an hour and a half.
Figured it wouldn't be the shortest.
Nope.
But y'all are really good at what you do, so.
Trying to be.
Thanks. If you need anything, you know where to find me.
Okay, thank you. On another pile of York. If I would have known that JCI was as bad as they were, I would not have installed these years ago. So, once again, the secondary's jacked up on this. It's leaking. So, we'll get this dismantled and we'll bring you along for the ride. Right there. Yep.
Look at the bottom.
Yeah, that's THC. Yep, that's THC from all wannabe. So yeah, that's rotten right there. And because we got stainless steel there, galvanized there. So yep, another leaker. Thanks JCI for keeping us busy. So we installed this furnace back in June of 19. So this thing's only 4 years old. Alright, finally got done all this stuff. You're noisy. So, we got one more heat exchanger to do, but not today. Well, even though this was a short little video, hopefully you guys got anything out of this. If you did, smash that thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one. Pile of York. So, we're back on this one. Customer said they had no heat last night, came back this morning, and I believe we have a bad heat exchanger right out of the box. I'll show you why. Heat exchangers plug. Thanks JCI, you guys frickin' rock. I appreciate all your hard work and making shitty products. So I come back to my barn to get this other heat exchanger for another pile of York, and I'm looking at the box. I'm like, oh boy, box is dented up, and so I'm to pull this out. Look at that. Yeah, I'm not putting that on. So, my distributor, Saving Grace, I told them this is what I want. I want a brand new furnace from my customer. I'm not doing this again because, yeah. So my customer's going to get a brand new pile of York. Shout out to Mid-City Supply. You guys rock. I appreciate you. As far as JCI goes, I'm not happy with Johnson Controls. I don't know what's going on with your quality control, but it's not very good. So I guess I had to reschedule some stuff, and now I gotta go replace the furnace. I almost put in a Armstrong, but I'm not eating that money on that because I'm not passing that saving or that cost on to my customer. So we'll get you some shots on this furnace replacement. Mid-City Supply, they did a great job delivering that furnace. Here's another pile of York, 96 2-stage. You see them. So we'll finish getting this old furnace disconnected, just return, and we'll slide this out, bring this down, get this hooked up, and we should be in and out of here in about another hour or so. I'm really grateful for my distributor. They came through once again. This isn't the first time. They've always been good to me, even though I'm not a York dealer no more. I got a lot of product out there that's really coming back and biting me in the rear end. This hurts hard. I'm busy and I don't need to go back through and fixing JCI stuff. I don't know which is worse. JCI, York, Luxair, Coleman, Guardian, or Goodman. I'm almost thinking Goodman's better at this point. Leave your thoughts and feedback down below. What do you guys think? If you guys seasoned techs out there, between the two, I'm thinking Goodman's better now because of the heat exchangers. I know all manufacturers have their issues. Goodman's had their issues with the heat exchangers at one time. The clamshell, remember those, the rings pop off? They were given free furnaces away left and right because they're failed heat exchangers. So what's JCI gonna do? Are they gonna just start supplying to build their reputation back up? Are they gonna basically start supplying new furnaces to all their dealers? and the people that put them in to accommodate for this mess up, I'm thinking it's either an engineering fault or they were just cheap. I don't know. I think they should, if they're going to save their reputation, they really need to say, you know what, we're going to start ramping things up, and we're going to give free furnaces to failed heat exchangers. That's what I would think, just to maintain their reputation, and the reputation's not that good. If I would have known 13 years ago that I was going to have these issues, I would have never sold JCI product. Just keeping it real. But it is what it is. The damage is done, and I'm taking care of my customers. Yeah, so we're going to get back to this and get things rocking. So, finally got it. Getting ready to check gas pressures, because on JCI products and Goodman's, the gas valve is always higher. Pressures are. If you can time it right, you can get the high fire set up where you need it to be. Using the Testo 320LX combustion analyzer. Remember, this O2 was like 19. The ppm COA free was like 12,000. Yeah, it's looking a lot better now. A lot better. Yep. Yep, I'm liking those numbers. Those numbers are a lot better than they were before. Yeah, this place has got some really good sized ductwork. Really good sized ductwork. Alright guys, sorry for the rant. Just telling you how I'm feeling about JCI. What are they going to do? Are they going to make it right and start passing out furnaces like Goodman used to? Smash that thumbs up button, and we'll see you on the next one.